magical.
How to clean your silver jewelry at home. Very easy, very quickly, by just using baking soda, hot water. You're gonna light on an aluminum foil. I'm gonna pour the hot water on top of it, let it sit there for like maybe 5 minutes, and you're gonna literally watch it take off the tarnish. It's very cool. We're gonna go off to the kitchen now, and I'm gonna show you something
magical.
Okay, so I laid out my necklaces. This one's really tarnished, this earring right here, and this is very tarnished. I hadn't cleaned that in I don't know how long. So we're gonna see the miracle of baking soda and hot water works for this, and the aluminum foil is one thing that's important too. Okay, so I have my pan, my aluminum foil, baking soda, and water. I also have a silver cleaner just in case you still need to take off some of the tarnish if it was too tough. This earring right here that has a stone in it, I'm gonna advise you not to put it in there because I don't know if it's gonna harm the stone. My husband bought this for me, it's beautiful, but it's tarnished all over the place. I don't want to ruin it. Foil in the pan, line it like that. So this one we're not gonna do, because I don't want to ruin it. I'm gonna put this very tarnished earrings in here. Here's the baking soda, and what you do is you just sprinkle it on top of your jewelry in the pan. Sprinkle, 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 kind of cover it. I'm believing, see that one there? That's the real tarnished one. The chemical makeup from the aluminum and the baking soda with the boiling water, there's something chemically, maybe some chemist out there can explain why, but it just lifts up the tarnish, like melts it away. I don't know. It goes to tarnish heaven. I don't. Tarnish heaven. I don't. Pour it on top. I can just hear it sizzling. If it's not acting fast enough, you don't see it's really pulling off the tarnish, then I would put more baking soda on it. So it's lifting it away right now. This one's gonna take a little bit more time. See the one that was black? It's lifting away. It's very cool. See this one too? I think I need to put a little bit more baking soda on there, personally. Sprinkle more, especially on the ones that look really tarnished. Okay. Have to put more baking soda on there because now it's really pulling it up, and I put more hot water in. This is after 5 minutes, but I put more boiling hot water in and I put more baking soda on that. So it's pulling it up, if you can see. It's pulling up this one. Remember how tarnished that was? It's getting there. I mean, like I said, mine's been sitting there for so long. It's trying to, see? And these earrings. So after it sits in here for a little bit more, tarnishing away, I'm gonna flip this one over. Yes, it's hot, it's burning my hand. These look pretty good. I left a charm on this one because this is no big deal. I'm gonna take them out and rinse them underwater and then lay it on this cloth right here and dry them off. All right, I'm really annoyed. I don't know if it's because I bought that cheap baking soda or what, but it worked before. Baking soda on it again and put some more hot water on there and see if it works. I don't know, guys. I mean, it worked before. I might have had the good brand. I don't know. I'm gonna do it again and I'll be right back. I dumped some of that water out. I'm putting a little bit more of the baking soda on. Mine's so tarnished, I think that's why. I just need more baking soda and let it sit with the baking soda. Of course, since I'm recording it, it's not cleaning as fast as it did. So let me put a little bit more on this one. So tarnished. Again, it's starting to fizz up. The necklaces are cleaning right now. See, okay, now that's changing. It's tarnished there, and then there's the silver starting to come out of it. That was just really bad. It's really bad. Once I pull it out of the water and rinse it off and dry it off, I'm gonna use the silver cloth, you know, the silver cleaner cloth to get off the tarnish. That's what I'm gonna use. It's going. Okay, I feel so much better now. Excited? You excited? So if you have to keep it in longer, keep it in longer. If you're seeing that it's not really pulling off the tarnish, then it has to stay in longer. You might have to put some more baking soda on top of it like I did. And then I will come back and show you the beautiful jewelry
that is so beautifully cleaned and it has no more tarnish on it. And then you're gonna be saying, hey, I love what she did, I'm gonna try it myself. And then you can comment and let me know if it works for you. Okay, you guys, have you guys ever watched Stranger Things? I watched the 3rd season. Oh my God, it was so good. It was so good. Let me know also in the comments if you like Stranger Things. My husband and I right now are, don't even laugh, but we're catching up with Homeland. Him and I literally stopped, we weren't even together at the time, stopped at like the 4th season. So now we're in the 6th season right now, and wow. Oh my God, it's so good. Carrie's amazing, and Peter Quinn, oh my God. That dude can act. Well, they all can act. The show is amazing. I definitely highly recommend you to watch Homeland if you're into stuff like FBI, CIA stuff. We are. It's very cool. We were watching Billions. That's really good. So the guy that played in Homeland is the main guy in Billions, the redhead guy. I'm sorry, I forgot his name, the British actor. They're all dry now. This is really tarnished. I'm gonna right now use the cloth and clean up the rest of the tarnish from that one. But normally you don't have to, you shouldn't have to even wipe it with the cloth at all, because it should take it off. Like I'm not leaving it as long, but trust me, if your stuff is not as bad as mine, it shouldn't take that long for it to clean up. So normally, like when you're cleaning, oh, you can do this with any silver. So even your silverware, like I won't let my husband or the guests in the house use the good towels, you know, the decorative towels that are hanging up. My husband's like standing there. He's like, I know you don't want me to use a decorative towel. I don't have a towel. And he doesn't, he won't use it. So he knows it, because I'm like, not the decorative towel. So I run in there and I go get him his towel. All right, so this is cleaned up pretty well. And yeah, usually I get all my jewelry at where, people? TJ Maxx, because I'm a Maxxinista. And I try to save money if I can, because saving money is good. Overly spending is bad. Put some muscle into it. Put some muscle into it. Put some muscle into it. Oh my gosh, really? Big difference, right? I'm just saying, if you already have your silver cleaner at home, fine. But if you want to go an alternative way, baking soda, people normally have. Aluminum foil, people normally have. And hot water, get it from the sink and throw it in the microwave, as easy as that, or boil on the stove. Another vlog will be coming out, and I hope you continue to keep watching me. Please like, subscribe, share, and always I'm happy to have your comments, and I always will respond back. So thank you very much, and goodbye.